it's me, Blue. I'm finally back, hooray! I'm so excited to get back into the video groove. I hope you guys all saw my Instagram post where I told you why I wasn't doing a video, but for those of you who didn't see it, I'm back now, and that's all that matters. I feel like we haven't talked in a long while, so first, how are your holidays? What did you get for Christmas or Hanukkah? And how was your Valentine's Day? So you can leave all of that in the comments below. And for those of you who saw my Instagram, it was my birthday. I turned 12. Thank you guys so much for saying nice things about me. And let's get started on the video. So today I'm going to show you how to make sparkly mermaid shoes. They're going to be super easy to make and look super awesome afterwards. But they're going to be really time consuming. So let's get started. First you'll need shoes, obviously. Sequins, purple, blue, silver. And you'll also need a sealer to make sure the sequins don't fall off when you wear them. Fabric glue, scissors, and tape. The first step is to take the laces off the shoes and cover any part you don't want covered in sequins with black tape. Or any tape. I'm using black, so. Step 2 of 3 is to glue sequins onto your shoe. You should glue them on most of the shoe, not like the rubber part or these parts either, but on the tongue of the shoe and every other part. So this is what it looks like. Once you get it all how you want, you can spray it with the seal and let it dry. So once they dry, you can put the laces back on and walk around looking fabulous. And that's it. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Bye!